All right, next, we're gonna take off this seat cover and we're gonna put the black and yellow one on. All right, we're gonna put the new seat cover on. In order to do that, you're gonna wanna get an electric staple gun, some 1/4-inch staples, and some 1/2-inch staples. So there's a lot of different brands out there that sell seat covers. This brand is called Enjoy, and I actually really like this brand. It seems to be fitting really well, and I like that on the front here, it fits perfectly over the front, and that's pretty important because if you're doing this by yourself, now we can actually stretch this over the back of the seat without having someone hold the front. So that's actually kind of cool. All right, this thing's looking pretty sick. Oh yeah, not too bad. You know, on the bottom, it doesn't look like super pretty, but you know, all that matters is these contact points don't have fabric over them, so I cut this a little bit. Like this little bunch right here. Maybe I'll trim that a little bit because it is going to contact the bike a little bit right here. But really all that matters is that it looks super clean on top. If you guys like this content, please like and subscribe. We just started this channel and we're gonna be posting some racing videos and some other kind of just do-it-yourself stuff as I work on my bikes. But yeah, please subscribe, drop a comment. I'd appreciate it. Thank you.